Hello everyone, I am Ayush Singh. I am a final year undergraduate in Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Kanpur. I did my internship in Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Compressor Corporation in Hiroshima, Japan. Then after the internship I got the PO from Mitsubishi and then I will be joining the job this year in October. So for mechanical core companies, the selection procedure either consists of a group discussion or a test and then an interview afterwards. Some companies may take both a group discussion and a test. It depends on the company. The test can be aptitude based or technical based or both. So to start with your preparations for an internship, you need to have some practice for the group discussion. You can search Google or YouTube about the pattern of a group discussion. There are a lot of videos and practice topics available for you to practice. And especially for those who are underconfident to speak in English in public or in a group, you need to have a lot of practice. And you can do this with your friends. And this will also help you with your interview preparation. Then after this, about the tests. The tests are mostly based on the core subjects which you all must have completed till the end of your second year, which are mechanics of solid, thermodynamics, fluids, dynamics and nature and properties of material. So there is another course in your 5th semester, that is ME 301 IC engines, and some companies like Dr. Reddy and Bajaj ask questions from this subject in their tests. So if you can remember the basic formulas from this subject, then the questions are not very tough. So you need to have a go through with all the subjects and practice some questions so you will be prepared for the interviews. If you want some preparation material for your test and interviews, you can visit the SPO website or you can always use Google. There is also one site, the interview bit. You can visit and see some of the basic questions of an interview. Okay, so now for the interview, the most important part is your resume. Whatever the projects and courses you have mentioned in it, the questions are based on that only. So you need to have a strong grip on every part of your resume so that you can tackle any of the questions asked. Sometimes it also happens that the interview asks you which subject is your strength, and then the questions are based on that. So for an interview, the resume is very important. And if you want any company specific details about the selection procedure, you can visit the SPO website and see the internship insight page. There they have posted the experience of the students about their test and interview of their company they got selected in. So in an interview, the questions from the course part are mostly based on some specific concept, any law or any formula. Like for an example, the interview may ask you the second law of thermodynamics or the Navier-Stokes equation or any specific concept behind a process or anything else. He will not ask you to solve a question on paper. He may ask you the general idea behind any specific process. Like if you want to check your CAD skills, he will ask you the design ideology that you will use to design that component. He will not ask you the specific tools you will use in your CAD software. And some questions are also like that. He will ask you to explain your whole project, and then the questions are based on that. So you can use a paper to explain him your project via a diagram or any flow chart, and it is a good practice also because he will easily understand your project through a flow chart or a diagram. Okay, so now many students will be having the doubt that how many core companies visit the campus. Are there enough companies that I can get a core intern or not? So let me tell you that during my internship season, around 10 to 15 companies visited the campus. First two were ITC and HUL. These two are semi-core companies. And then after there was Bajaj, General Electric, Vedanta, KPIT, Mitsubishi, Schlumberger, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel and some other companies are also there. You can visit the SPO website for some more details. And for robotics, in my knowledge, around 2 or 3 companies are there. Noka Robotics, KPIT and Robert Bosch. So many of you might have thought of doing search these summers or any other departmental project. But as the summers are cancelled, this is not possible now. So a basic doubt came to a student's mind that will they be able to get a core intern without any big project in their resume? So let me tell you that some of the shortlisting criteria of a company. If they take test, they shortlist the candidates based on their test scores, and if they don't have test, they shortlist them on based on their CPI. So if you have a decent CPI or you can perform well in your test, then you can easily get shortlisted for an interview. and then the remaining thing about the projects in your resume. So you can mention your departmental projects or any other small projects which you have done. So that will be enough. Like for example, some of my friends got selected in General Electric and they only had their academic projects asked in their resume. So a decent CPI and or if you can perform well in your test, it is enough for your. Oh, so the next doubt that would be coming to your mind is that how much CPI is good enough for you to get shortlisted for an interview. So according to me, a CPI of more than 7.5 or more than 8 is pretty much decent. But don't consider it as the final case that if the student is having CPI less than 8, he will not get a core intern. Some of the students in my batch got a very good core intern and their CPI was less than 8. So you need to have patience and wait for the company and keep preparing for the interviews. A general scenario that I have seen during my internship season is that the students who didn't get selected in the initial 2-3 companies, they tend to get depressed. But you need to keep patience and keep preparing for your future companies. Like for example, I was rejected by 5 or 6 companies, then I was selected by Mitsubishi, and that was 2 in second phase solve. So many of you might be having the doubt that what are the future prospects in a core field. So let me tell you that the number of core companies are much less than the non-core companies. But if you are extremely interested in a core field, then you need to prepare hard for your interviews. Like there are many good companies which you can aim for and you can build your career in a core field. So now coming to the doubts about the internship projects, the projects won't be too much time demanding and you will be provided with a mentor who will help you to complete your project. And the per day office hours won't be more than 8 hours and that is also a 5-day a week. So as you can see that the projects are very much less time demanding. And also there is a lot of scope in a compressor and turbine manufacturing companies. Like many of the power plants, chemical plants and oil industry require these parts for their processing. And there are not too many competitors in the market. So if you want any details regarding internship or anything else, you can always contact me. All the best for your internships and thank you.